let's talk about leather care and leather maintenance, shall we? So a lot of people here on YouTube always talk about how much foam to use on their car to clean it, how fast the wheels are clean, how hydrophobic the paint is, but no one really discusses the interior of their vehicle, which is where they spend 95% of their time. So what I have here is Adams leather and interior cleaner along with their interior brush. So what I also am going to be using is a pair of Adams utility towels for the interior as well. Now if you see right here, you'll notice that there's white little dots everywhere. It looks like there's maybe lotion that was here at one point, but everybody on their hands, we have oils. Some of us have little handwritings of numbers from work, but we have dirt, we have oil, everything that's trapped in our pores. And when we're grabbing our steering wheel and driving, it's etching that into the leather. And just like skin, leather is very porous. So if you have all this impurity on your hand, all this nasty crud that's on your hands, it's going to etch itself and bake itself into the leather. And the way you get that out is by using a leather and interior cleaner along with some sort of abrasive like a brush or a towel. In this case I'm going to be using both. Like I just showed you, Adams leather and interior cleaner, their interior brush, along with a pair of their utility towels used for dashes, seats, and all that. So what I'm going to do is spray a little bit on this brush. I'm going to take my towel here, use it as a drape so I don't saturate everything in product in my leg. Just going to let this run down, kind of coat it here. Again, I have this towel here so nothing drips down. Once I have everything where it needs to be, take the brush, just agitate, and you'll start seeing the dirt lift itself from the leather. It's very easy to do, doesn't take any time, but if you're in Florida like I am and it's 95 degrees outside, it's very, very hot. So if you have a climate controlled garage, now would be the time to really take use of that. So it's already starting to dry because, like I said, here in Florida, very, very hot, very humid. And within no time, like I said, most of that is gone. But I am going to spritz a little bit more, go around this side that I missed probably. And voila, brand new. Now I'm going to do that to the rest of the steering wheel, and after this I'm going to show you guys how to protect the leather and kind of prevent it from getting the oils and crap that's all over our hands. And sometimes if your girlfriend or your wife is driving, you'll notice they have makeup on their hands. When they grip the steering wheel like this over the time, it'll do the same thing. Not saying that's what happened in my case, but you never know. Alright, so after you've already cleaned the steering wheel, it's time to protect it. So at this time you're going to want to use either your favorite leather conditioner or protection agent. In my case, this is going to be Adams leather conditioner. You're going to use this for your leather seats, your leather steering wheels, your door panels if they have leather, your dashboards if it has leather. Any leather surface can be used with this product, or any leather surface this can be applied to without damaging. It does leave a layer of UV protection behind. Just sprayed a little, or just poured a little bit here on my towel. They do have specific applicators for this stuff, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use my clean utility towel, and all you're gonna do is just wipe it in, and you'll see it start to dry. Like I said, here in Florida it's gonna really humid and it's gonna dry really fast, so don't be afraid of it drying fast. You can never use too much of this product. In fact, the more product you use in layers, the more protection you have, just like waxes and sealants. This is a sealant for your leather. Think of it that way. So now that the leather is clean and protected, you are good to go. And don't be afraid, you can go ahead and touch it now. This does not leave any type of weird feeling. It's gonna feel just like your leather. And in this case, it's sitting in the sun, so it's kind of tacky. The leather is, not the product. But everything's good to go. We have clean and protected your leather. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. If you haven't already, hit that little bell notification down below next to the subscribe button. If you haven't clicked that yet, it does allow you to stay up to date with every video I post. It sends you a little notification on your phone, just like a text message. Drop a comment below, hit the like button, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.
It's caught in the crossfire.